Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the chat settings in the Beep application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that, you should just look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see the more option. Press on it. And here in this page you should select the last option, which is settings. And you can just select here the first option, which is chat settings. And you can basically manage here the chat settings. You can activate or deactivate, for example, the show service messages separately. You can also set the automatic download. You can set it to never, Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular. And you can basically manage the other settings just as easily. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.